If you have a heart for women, I want you to pause and watch this video right now. This is basically a call to action that if you love women and you hate what's happening in healthcare in this world, you've got to be part of the change. Women's health is so far behind, 50 years behind, to say the least. And there are not enough of us, women out there taking care of other women. So here's what you can do. If you are a physical therapist, you can specialize in women's health. And I'm not just talking about pelvic pain. I'm talking the whole thing, women's health, because we need help with hormone balances, bones, vaginas, pelvic floors, post-breast cancer, anxiety, heck, long haul COVID, EDS, connective tissue disorders, mixed connective tissue disorders, nerve entrapments, and the list goes on and on. So the APTA is the American Physical Therapy Association, and they have deemed that we are also able to talk about nutrition in a generalized manner because we are the people that bridge health for many others. So I like to think of myself as an old school connector, and I hear my patients. I have the luxury of spending the most time with my patient compared to any other healthcare provider. So as I listen to my patients' complaints and their symptoms as they're on my table, I start thinking, do they need to see a rheumatologist to get that diagnosis of mixed connective tissue disorder? Do they need to see a geneticist for EDS? Do they need to go back to their primary care doc and tell them what they just told me? Do they need to message their primary care doc? Do they need a specialty clinic and they need to go to Cleveland Clinic? Do you see what I'm saying? We need more women in the trenches. So if you don't want to be a PT, you could be a massage therapist. You could be a doula. You could be a midwife. You could be in dietetics. You could be in nutrition. The list goes on and on. But I encourage you to think about women as a specialty because nobody talks about women's health as a specialty, but it sure as hell should be. Hit the plus sign and follow for more women's health and wellness tips.